welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to try to speaking dollar. One of my friends requested me to make a tutorial without using any brushes, so I will try it today. Let's see what will happen and let's start. So habibtis, I'm going to put my moisturizer. Once the moisturizer soothes on your face, you can add a little bit of primer. Primer will help lessen the visibility of your pores, like me. Concealer will help cover the dark circles, age spots, and blemishes on your skin, so you just have to spread it evenly on your eyes. Since our challenge is not using any brushes, so I'm going to use a tape to have a cleaner eyeshadow output. I'm going to get two lighter shades and one darker shade to create a neutral look, so I will just blend it and go girl. So this challenge is quite harder because you really don't know if the shadows or the shades will blend together, but I'm very committed with my work, so yeah, let's see. I love my friend and I have to accept her challenge. Putting eyeliner on the upper lid and lower lid will help your eyes wider and bigger. Summer in the Philippines never ends. I think this is the best makeup look, neutral look that you must try. Maybe some of you find the brow pencil easier than the powder one, but for me I think it's the same. To create a better brow, you just have to make an outline, then fill it in. So I'm gonna try another kind of SpongeBob. I called it SpongeBob. I think it's a funny name and I love SpongeBob. It says N557191. So this is from Bourgeois. I don't know how to read it. Bourgeois Paris, a healthy mixed foundation. Hi sis, your foundation is very helpful for me. After foundation, you can start applying concealer on your face area, which is the forehead, the cheekbones, and your chin, including your nose. So this is my favorite part, habibtis, elongating my nose. So I use the same SpongeBob on my face for contouring. I'm going to use my pressed powder from Maybelline where my concealer laid on. So this time I'm going to apply the same eyeshadows on my lower lid. On the same sponge, I'm going to dab it on my blush on. I love its sunky skin look, so I'm going to put more blush on my face. So I'm going to use the lip liner to make my lip bigger, bolder, and pop out, pouty. I'm gonna use highlighter from Kiko Makeup Milano, and this is not mine, this is from my friend who requested this video, Elizabeth. Hi Beta. Hi Betang, I love you Dai, I miss you. And lastly, I'm going to put my mascara on for a better volume of blushes. So here's my timeout and here's my final look.
Saw ya.